Okay, now that I got a good mixture in here, I shook it around for about a good 6 minutes. So they say the longer you shake this, the better it'll work. So now we're gonna walk down there and set it up, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, well, I went ahead and we set it up down there. It's my first time shooting the Tannerite exploding target, and I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, I just had to come over here and show you what happened. I mean, we had that target set up there, and it's on the ground. The plastic thing that Tannerite was sitting on is in pieces. There was a 2x4 that ran across here, or one of these, you know, on the pallet, and it's gone. And that plastic thing is like in pieces. So it's pretty damn fun. So, anyways, I just wanted to share that real quick.